Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how everyday Americans can go from living paycheck to building long-term wealth, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the exact steps, strategies, and mindset shifts that can transform your financial future in the United States. Let's go. The U.S. economy gives unique opportunities but also unique challenges. Inflation, taxes, and debt are the three biggest obstacles. Yet, tools like the stock market, 401ks, Roth IRAs, and real estate offer incredible wealth-building opportunities. The key is understanding how money flows in the U.S., from federal policies to your personal paycheck. Your income is your financial engine, but relying only on a 9-to-5 job limits growth. Discuss multiple income streams, side hustles, freelancing, investing, and passive income. Example, turning a $500 monthly side hustle into $6,000 a year, invested into an index fund, could grow into six figures in 20 years. The 50-30-20 rule for U.S. households, needs, wants, savings. How to cut costs without sacrificing lifestyle. Hidden money leaks, subscriptions, credit card interest, lifestyle inflation. Practical tips, grocery hacks, cashback apps, and negotiating bills. America's biggest trap, high-interest credit card debt. Strategies, debt snowball versus debt avalanche. Real-life example, paying off $10,000 in 24 months with simple discipline. Why student loans and mortgages need a smarter repayment strategy. How the stock market works in the U.S., simple breakdown. Importance of long-term investing versus short-term trading. Stocks, ETFs, index funds, easiest entry for beginners. Retirement accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA. Real estate as a wealth-building tool, buy, rent, leverage, beat. Focus on fundamentals and risk management. Taxes are not just bills, they're opportunities. Understanding tax brackets in the U.S., deductions, credits, and tax-advantaged accounts. Why financial literacy is the ultimate skill for wealth. Money follows habits, not just knowledge. Discipline. Motivation. Surrounding yourself with financially smart people. Building wealth is slow and steady, not an overnight game. So here's the truth. In the U.S., anyone can build wealth. It doesn't matter where you start, it matters how consistently you grow. Income, budgeting, investing, and mindset, put them together, and you unlock financial freedom. If you found this valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to take control of their money in America.